Sunflower oil is a kitchen staple. It is golden yellow and has a light taste. People around the world use it for cooking. The oil comes from sunflower seeds. These seeds are pressed to release their oil. It is great for frying, baking and salad dressings. It has a high smoke point. That means it can be heated to high temperatures without burning. Clearly, sunflower oil is a valuable resource. Its popularity is growing. Sunflower oil is not just delicious, it's good for you. It's low in saturated fat, which is good for your heart. It's high in unsaturated fats, like polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. It also contains essential omega-6 fatty acids. Overall, sunflower oil can be part of a healthy diet. The journey of sunflower oil begins with a tiny seed. Farmers carefully plant these seeds in the spring. Sunflowers thrive in warm climates with plenty of sunshine. They prefer well-drained soil that is not too acidic. Modern farming technologies play a crucial role in sunflower cultivation. Farmers use precision planting techniques to ensure optimal spacing between seeds. They also employ irrigation systems to provide the right amount of water. Throughout the growing season, farmers monitor the sunflowers closely. They use fertilizers to provide essential nutrients to the plants. They also control pests and diseases that can harm the crop. As summer approaches, the sunflowers begin to bloom. Their large, bright yellow heads turn towards the sun. These heads are actually made up of thousands of tiny flowers. Each flower has the potential to produce a sunflower seed. Harvesting typically occurs in late summer or early fall. Farmers wait until the sunflowers are fully mature. The heads will be brown and dry and the seeds will be plump. Mechanical harvesting is the most common method for large-scale sunflower production. Combine harvesters are used to cut the sunflower heads and separate the seeds from the rest of the plant. In some regions, manual harvesting is still practiced. This involves cutting the sunflower heads by hand and collecting them. Manual harvesting is more labor-intensive but can be necessary for smaller farms or fields with uneven terrain. Once the sunflowers are harvested, the seeds are transported to processing facilities. These facilities are often located near sunflower growing regions to minimize transportation costs. Section 5. Preserving the bounty post-harvest handling of sunflowers. After harvesting, sunflower seeds require careful handling to maintain their quality. The seeds are first cleaned to remove any debris, such as stems, leaves, or dirt. Next, the seeds are dried to reduce their moisture content. This prevents spoilage and ensures a longer shelf life. Drying can be done naturally by spreading the seeds in the sun or using mechanical dryers. Once dried, the sunflower seeds are stored in a cool, dry place. Proper storage is essential to protect the seeds from pests, mold, and other forms of deterioration. The dried sunflower seeds are now ready for the next stage of the journey, processing into oil. This transformation takes place in large-scale facilities known as mega factories. Section 6. The mega factory, where sunflowers transform into oil. Mega factories dedicated to sunflower oil production are impressive feats of engineering. They are designed to handle massive quantities of sunflower seeds efficiently. The process begins with the arrival of truckloads of sunflower seeds. Upon arrival, the seeds undergo rigorous quality control checks. Technicians test for moisture content, oil content, and impurities. Only seeds that meet the highest standards are accepted for processing. The seeds are then cleaned again to remove any remaining debris. This ensures that only the highest quality seeds are used for oil extraction. Next, the sunflower seeds are dehulled. This process removes the hard outer shell, separating it from the kernel, which contains the valuable oil. Section 7. Extracting the essence from seed to oil. With the sunflower kernels ready, the oil extraction process can begin. There are two primary methods, cold pressing and solvent extraction. Cold pressing is a traditional method that involves crushing the sunflower kernels under heavy stones or presses. This process extracts the oil without the use of heat or chemicals, resulting in a high-quality oil with a rich flavor. Solvent extraction is a more modern method that involves using a solvent, typically hexane, to extract the oil from the sunflower kernels. This method is more efficient than cold pressing and extracts a higher percentage of oil. After extraction, the crude sunflower oil undergoes further processing to remove impurities and improve its quality. Section 8. Refining the elixir, purifying sunflower oil. The crude sunflower oil undergoes refining to remove impurities and enhance clarity, taste and shelf life. Steps include degumming, neutralization, bleaching, dewaxing and deodorization. Degumming removes gums and phospholipids. Neutralization eliminates free fatty acids. Bleaching removes color pigments. Dewaxing prevents cloudiness. Deodorization removes odors and flavors. The final product is clear, odorless and neutral, suitable for various applications. Section 9. Packaging sunshine, preparing sunflower oil for the consumer. The refined sunflower oil is now ready for packaging. The packaging process is crucial for preserving the oil's quality and extending its shelf life. The oil is typically packaged in airtight bottles or containers made of materials that protect it from light and oxygen. Manufacturers use various packaging sizes to cater to different consumer needs, from small bottles for household use to larger containers for restaurants and food manufacturers. Clear bottles are popular for sunflower oil, as they allow consumers to see the golden color of the oil, which is associated with quality and purity. Labels provide essential information, including nutritional content, origin and expiration date. Section 10. From factory to table, the journey of sunflower oil. Once packaged, the sunflower oil is ready for distribution. A vast network of trucks, trains and ships transports the oil from factories to warehouses and distribution centers. From there, the oil makes its way to retailers, including supermarkets, grocery stores, and specialty food shops. Consumers can purchase sunflower oil in various forms, including bottles, cans, and even convenient spray bottles. Sunflower oil is also a key ingredient in many processed foods such as margarine, mayonnaise, and salad dressings. Food manufacturers rely on a steady supply of high-quality sunflower oil to meet the demands of consumers. Section 11. Sowing the seeds of sustainability, the impact of sunflower oil production. As the demand for sunflower oil grows, so too does the importance of sustainable production practices. Sustainable sunflower oil production focuses on minimizing environmental impact, conserving resources, and supporting local communities. Many farmers are adopting sustainable farming practices such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage. These practices help to improve soil health, conserve water, and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Some sunflower oil manufacturers are committed to using responsibly sourced sunflower seeds. They work with farmers who adhere to sustainable farming practices and fair labor standards. Consumers can also play a role in supporting sustainable sunflower oil production by choosing brands that prioritize sustainability and ethical sourcing. Section 12. A bright future. Looking ahead at sunflower oil. The future of sunflower oil production looks bright. As consumers become more health conscious and environmentally aware, the demand for healthy and sustainable oils like sunflower oil is expected to continue to grow. Innovations in sunflower breeding are leading to the development of new varieties with higher yields, improved oil profiles, and increased resistance to pests and diseases. Advancements in processing technologies are making sunflower oil production more efficient and sustainable, reducing waste and minimizing the environmental footprint. With its versatility, health benefits, and potential for sustainable production, sunflower oil is well positioned to remain a kitchen staple and a valuable ingredient for generations to come. Section 13. Share your sunflower story, your thoughts and experiences. Sunflower oil has a rich history and a promising future. From its humble beginnings as a seed to its transformation into a versatile oil, it has touched the lives of people around the world. We'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences and recipes using sunflower oil in the comments below. Let's celebrate the golden goodness of this remarkable oil together.